What's up, Tech family? My name is Josh Tech, and on this episode, I'm going to talk about one of the newest goals I have for 2021, and that is learning AWS Cloud Practitioner. So let's get straight into it. Getting the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is something that I really wanted to get in 2021 because I wanted to start pushing myself and learning more about technology, and especially cloud, because that is something that's going to continue to grow. It's fairly new, I would say, and is going to continue to expand and get better and better as time goes. So that's what I wanted to get into, to expand my knowledge, to have that credential on my resume, to make companies see me as a better asset to them. So that's why I wanted to get AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Now, my goal is to study for at least a month or two, if not longer, in order to make sure that I'm getting really good practice exam scores, at least an 80 or above, before I go into taking the actual AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, because it is $100 and your boy ain't trying to waste that. I'm trying to make sure that I do what I need to do in order to pass it. But I wanted to share my journey as I go through this, because I don't want to make it seem like I'm just going to automatically just pass it, or I just want to seem like I'm not going to do extremely well. And I just want to share my journey as I'm trying to get this certification, so that other people can feel inspired if this is the route that they want to go as well. So that's my goal. And I want to give a little background about what is AWS Cloud Practitioner. To give a little background about what is an AWS Cloud Practitioner certification and what this exam is about, the exam is about getting a grasp and a good knowledge about what is AWS Cloud. It's making sure that I can demonstrate what that is and be able to articulate that when it comes to the cloud. Some abilities that are validated by the certification is defining what an AWS Cloud is in the basic global infrastructure, as well as describing basic AWS Cloud architectural principles, as well as describing the AWS Cloud value proposition. And it continues to go on and on. The AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is pretty much just something that I have to just understand, be able to use, and be able to demonstrate how to use the AWS platform. So that's mainly what this certification is about. Some of the things that I'm going to go over and some of the things that it entails is as follows: is the cloud concepts, the security and compliance, technology, as well as billing and pricing. Furthermore, I'm going to put some of the resources that I'm using right in the description box below, so that you can use it as well if you're trying to pass this exam. And if anybody else who has passed it, you can put in the comment section below of what you used, and I'll be sure to look at it, and it may help some other people that are trying to pass this exam as well. So I will keep you all updated on how this journey goes. Like I said, I'm going to be studying for it for the next few months, and I'm going to take the test, and hopefully I pass it. But I just want to share my journey on how it's going to go. And be sure to watch some previous videos on how to be a web developer. And I have some really good videos that I feel like you all can enjoy as well. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated on all the new videos that's coming out, because I have some more heat that's coming. So be sure to do that and keep on coding, and God bless.